Good morning, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Today I am bagging up soil to put in our grow kits that we mail out. So I measure out 3 liters of soil and I use this funnel right here to put into these Ziploc bags. There's our bulk soil. Scoop up, it goes in the funnel, into the bag. And I come over here, I squeeze all I set a bunch of them up like this, and then I, one at a time, squeeze all the air out of them and Ziploc them. So stay around, I'll show you how we put our kits together. We got a bunch of stuff to get out in the mail. There was a lot of orders came in, so.
Then we have to put 3 or 4 times as many kits together for Homesteading Life Conference.
Yeah, we're gonna bring about 100 kits to the Homesteading Life Conference. We're gonna have all of our seeds. We're gonna have 200. We're gonna have our seeds. We're gonna have the knives. So hope to see you there at the Homesteading Life Conference. Anyway.
A lot to do before then.
Yeah. This is the next step of getting these kits together. Every one of our kits have 2 sets of trays with holes in it, 2 sets of trays without holes in it, enough soil to plant your first 2 rounds of microgreens, 1 sunflower shoot, 1 micro broccoli, 1 salad mix. It also comes with a very detailed instruction guide that Malerie put together on the benefits of microgreens, the nutrition. It's broken down in the back here how to take care of each variety after you plant them. And if you scan this QR code, there's 4 private videos on our YouTube channel that are specific to growing microgreens in this kit. It also comes with a quick reference guide. It kind of reminds you each day what you need to be doing to take care of your microgreens. This sticker, and then one more thing. Each kit also comes with one of these tote bags that we'll slide the kit inside before we mail it to you.
Also, remember, after you've grown the 3 varieties that come in your kit, go back to Barefoot Microgreens and reorder seeds so you can continue to use your kits forever. We're at our final step of the grow kits, which is packaging them up and shipping them out. We just want to express our appreciation. You guys continuously supporting our business and our family. We love you guys so much. We just hope we can reach as many people as we can with our grow kits and teach them how to grow their own food right from their kitchen counter. So I know you guys are sharing all your love with our grow kits, but also remember, share your love on our YouTube channel, Living Life Barefoot. Subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos with everyone you know. Help us reach more people. Let us know in the comments maybe the next variety you would like us to add to our online store or something new that we just haven't thought of. We are thinking about adding on reorders of soil. That is a huge request. So that may be coming very soon. Also, we are adding solid black trays, single trays that you can order online. We've had a huge request of that as well. So you have your kit in 2 pairs. So you have the top and the bottom. And a lot of times people want to grow them at the same time and stack them up as they're germinating. Well, they need an extra tray. They don't need an extra tray. They can always use that very bottom one. Anyway, we've had a request of asking us to just put single black trays on our website, so they're coming very soon as well. Remember, it's barefootmicrogreens.com.
We have been talking about possibly doing a revamp on the kit.
Yeah.
Possibly changing up the selections of seeds that come with the kit. or maybe adding the produce knife in with the kit. Let us know what you think. Obviously, if we added some more stuff to the kit, we'd have to adjust the price accordingly. But some feedback on that would be nice.
Yeah, that'd be great. You guys are giving all the wonderful reviews on our website too. We definitely appreciate that. That helps us out a ton as well. So I just want you guys to know that.